Welcome to Humility Infotech, your one-stop solutions for computers, videos and graphics design.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. This Humility, the CEO of Humility Infotech, your one-stop solutions for graphics design. Today we'll be doing an intro. That is, this video will all about how to use Canva. We'll be doing introduction to Canva. How to know how to use the tools that the Canva app have. I'll be teaching you that in this video. So without wasting much of our time, just dive into your browser. You can also download the video. You can also download the app from your Play Store or App Store. Canva, both Android and iPhone users have access to the Canva app. So now, for most of this class, I will be using website for it. I'll be using website. So I will go to my browser now. I'll dive into my browser. Before moving forward, guys, if you are watching this video from YouTube, if you are watching this video from YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe, like the button, share, and comment. Comment at the comment section. Make sure you do so, and also share it. Share. Don't be a selfish. Share it to others in order to serve as beneficiary as you have already served as beneficiary. So guys, make sure that you stay to the end of this video. Make sure that you watch this video to the end. Make sure it is very important in order not to miss some parts. So it is very important that you watch everything closely in order to understand every damn thing. Don't skip any part of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to it now. Now I'll be teaching you how to use the tools on the Canva app. I'll be teaching you how to use it. So how to log in into your account, I'll be teaching you. Now let us move to our browser. This is my browser here. Then just write what I'm about to write. Canva. You can just click on this, create new Canva. So it brings us to this interface. Just click on sign up to Canva. Sign up. To click on that, sign up to Canva, it will bring you to this interface. When it shows this, you can continue with your Google, with email, with Facebook, anyone. But for me, for the purpose of this class, I will continue using this. I will continue with Google. Can you see? So wait for it to load blank. So can you see? I will just choose any account I wish to choose. For my own case, I will be choosing this. So wait for it to load. So just hit this continue. So that is how you can log in. You can sign up into Canva account. And let me tell you, you can also download the app from your Play Store or App Store. Both Android users and iPhone users have access to this app. But for the purpose of this class, we'll be using website. So that's the reason why we are using this website. So wait for it to load. Can you see this is the interface? Can you see we have different things? You go and check up here, wait for it to load finish. You go and check up here, you will see that our accounts have already been locked on this Canva. Can you see that's our account? In order to get out from this, just click on this arrow. So can you see we have different templates? You can just type any template you want. One of the benefits of this app is that if you want to design anything, there are a lot of templates on this app. Put Facebook posts. Let us see what it will show us. Also have Instagram. Can you see Facebook star? It's a lot. There are a lot of template on it. There are various templates on it. So then click on it and see what it gives us. Wait for it. You can see that some of these templates have like crown. The one that possess crown, it is not for free. It is for pro. That is premium. You pay for it if you want to. You want to use this. This is for pro. It's for pro rather. It's for pro rather. But the one that doesn't have the crown like this, it is free. That is for free users. So that's just it. The next thing now I'll be showing you now. You can just any template you want. You can just put it on this place and search anyone. Instagram post. Some post. So search anything you want. Instagram reel. And mind you, you can also create videos on this app. Can you see mobile video? You can create video, but that is not where we are going today. Can you see different videos here? So now you see this icon here. I'll be explaining what they are used for. This is your design. It is used for, it is used to show all what we've already do on our Canva. So now it will show all my projects, all my work that I've already done on this app. Can you see? These are all the work I can you see? Recent. That's just it. That's just it. So that's that on that. So we are moving forward. And see if you also you can see the template here, another icon. So that's for template. Pro, this is for those that are in pro version. Can you see it? And that is premium. Can you see it? Pro version. That's just so. And this last more. Can you see more? These are all what is app, Canva, AI, brand. That's what the more got. So now you want to create. Let's assume if you want to back it, just click on the back of your phone. Click on the back side of your phone. Yeah, that's just it. That brings us back to the interface. So now let us assume that you want to create something. You want to create anything. You want to design any maybe flyer or anything. So and you don't want to use templates. So you can and you want to create it from scratch. You don't want to use any template. You want to create it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe now. Subscribe now. Now, oh yeah, subscribe. Hit the notification button. Like, comment, and make sure that you share it to others. Make sure. Assuming that you want to create, you want to design a flyer or anything or logo, and you don't want to use templates. You want to use template, you will go directly to the template here and use any template you want to use, but you want to create from scratch. This is what you will do. Just go to create here. Click on it, then it brings you here, then just go to custom size here. Custom size, this custom size, click on it. Can you see it create new design? You can just size it, give it any size you want, let's say 1000 by 12, or as you can see you can give it any size you want. Let me give it 12. You see that you see what it should. Can you see at least 4 ppx? So anything like 12, you cannot size anything related to that. So let me give it just like 40 by 80. Can you see create new design? Just click on it. Wait for it to load. Can you see the size it brings out? The size it brings out. You wait for it to load. Another thing is that you can also search for template here. You can say landscape, anyone you want, landscape template. Maybe you want it in landscape or portrait, landscape template. So can you see it? Any template, can you see it? So let's say for example, I want to create flyer. Just write flyer, then search. Wait for it to load. So it will brings you, it shows this start from blank. These are, you can see that it shows start from blank. These are all other material that you can use, but you don't want to use material now. You're not using material yet, so just click on the landscape here. Can you see? Can you see what it shows? Can you see what it shows? So anything you want to create, just write it on that search. So you should just search it. Search it. Just wait for this to load. Wait for it to load all the features. Now, here is it. If it shows you something like this, just click on your phone like this. Don't press on your phone like this and swipe it down. Or if it shows this, just back your phone. Now press on your phone and can you see? Slide it down like this. So this is the interface. Can you see the interface here? So this is for design. If you want to design anything, elements, text, if you want to test brand, upload tools, projects. So all those stuff that you are looking down here, they have their features. Let's start from design. If you click on this design now, you can see you can search for template. If you want another template, you search for it. So you search for it. So now let me say I want to search for, can you see? Let me share, I want to search for circle. If I click on it, it will bring circle logo. Can you see it? Searching, can you see it? It brings another template for me. Can you see? That's if you want to change the template. So that does it. So just swipe this like this, swipe it down. Yeah. These elements, if you want to, maybe you want circle element shape, that's for shape. Maybe you want shapes. Can you see? There are shapes, graphics, stickers, anything you want. Anything you want. Can you see? You can generate image. You can search element here. Just write, if you write circle frame. If you write circle frame, this circle frame, let me click on it. Circle frame. Can you see it? Different thing. Mix out different thing. Different thing. The same thing applicable to template is applicable to all these shapes. The one that possess crown, you don't, the app doesn't give you the access to use it. But the one without, you can. You have the one without the crown, you have access to it. Can you see? I've selected one. Change the color. Can you see? If I want to change the color, that's just it. Color. So that's just it. That's just it. So now let me undo. If you want to undo, just go up here. This undo and redo. Undo. I don't want the color. Undo. Can you see it? That's it. So now, if you want to replace this, just click on replace magic background color. If you want to give this color, animate. If you want to animate your work, can you see? We have different animate objects. If you press on this, see what it shows. Press on this. Watch closely. Can you see that animate. That animation. So different, but you are not using animation now. You are not using animation now. So just click on this. Yeah, this layer overlapping. If you want to overlap your layer, that's just it. And this note, if you want to write something, this small, it also shows. Or maybe you want to delete anything, or you want to make some editing. So now you can see that when we click on this circle, on this object, it shows us this. When we deselect it, can you see? If you want to transparent it, if you want to reduce the shadow, then how it shows, you want to reduce the sharpness. Can you see? Sharpness. That's just it. So now you can see that I select this. Having selected this, it shows us this. When I deselect it, I will be clicking on the background. Let me deselect it. Can you see? When I deselect it, it brings out this. It brings out this when I select on the background. So as you can see, when I select this, if I want to make anything this here, the change will make to the background. So now I also want to deselect the background. I want to come to the interface. This piece. I will just click on it. Can you see? It shows us different thing entirely. so it brings out the different thing entire. Can you see? If you're done with the design template text, if you want to write any text, just click on it. See, you have different, what's it called? Different fonts. Subheading, just write something. Let me write something. Can you see? Add the text box. If you want to search font, you can search font here. But add the text box. I want to write something. Just click on add the text box. Can you see your paragraph text? I'll be writing welcome. Can you see it? I can bold it. I can bold it. This for bold. This here I want to change the color. I want to change the color to solid. Can you see? Can you see? I want to edit the color. That's edit. Can you see it? If I want to change, if I click one, you can see it brings out change all. So let me change all. So can you see it? It has changed the color of the welcome to another color entirely. So now edit it now. Let me also, can you see? If I want to text size, this text size. If I want to increase the size, I'll just click on this. Can you see? It's increased. Can you see? Then I want to make changes to the size. I want to make change to the side. I will just click on the background. That's just it. So now let me click on the welcome again. Welcome again. Can you see? I want to make change to the welcome, to the what I text. That's the reason I selected welcome. So guys, before we call it a day, let's do a task. Let's do a task. So can you see? Having been at the template here, then I will just go there to the search template here, and then I will write. I search for landscape blank template, rather blank. Or let me write landscape template. Then search for landscape. Then can you see it? Start from blank. Can you see it? So now let me go to category here. I want to choose which type of category I want to use. So for the purpose of this, let us just use this, what's it called? This banner template here. Click on it. Then wait for it to load. Can you see? Create a blank landscape. Yeah, that's just it. So what I'm going to be doing now is just be writing a quote, be designing a quote, and tie the quote with our name, with our brand name. So just wait for all the features to load, and once the feature is loaded, we will continue. So the next thing to do now is, let me just click on the interface like this, and then text. I go to text, then add subheading, add the heading order. Then I write. What I want to write is always make a good use. Make a good use. A good use of Allah's favor. I hope you've seen it. I hope you've seen it. Then the next thing now, I can just change the, what do you call, the font style if I wish. Then I want to just increase the font size, so I do so here. You can also give it nice spacing if you wish. Nice spacing. Can you see? Yeah. So can you see? Can you see? So I'll just leave it like this. Then now here is it. Here is it. So the next thing now is to bold it. Oh, it is already in bold. It's already in bold mode. Then now, as you can see, as it is, I can also make changes to it if I don't want it to be what, if I don't want it to be present like this. So I can also adjust it. I can also adjust it to my taste. Can you see, like this, like this? So always make a good use of others' favor. So that's just it. Next thing now, I will be going to the element and select shape, selecting rectangular shape. So go to, like, okay, I've already have one that I've been using here. I'll just click on this. So here is it. I hope you've seen it. Then I want to change the color. Change the color to this. Then I will just place it I will use it and place it down here. Having done this, then I go to text, add this heading again, and I write humility Infotech. I hope you are getting it. Infotech. Then I will go and place it on the top of the rectangular shape I just created. Reduce. So now, as you can see, it is well placed like this. So I just want to change the background. I want to use background for it. Then I'll just go to the background here and select this. I've already been using this, so I'll select this for it. Then here is it. Can you see? Always make a good use of Allah's favor. Can you see it? Then we've completed our work. So in your own case, also design a quote and tag it with your name. And then tomorrow we move forward. So let me save my work by going up here, download button, then go to download here, then wait for it to load, then download. So it is preparing to download. Yeah, initializing downloading. So now make sure that you also do your own assignments. Until we meet tomorrow, I remain your reliable graphic designer, Humility. Thanks so much. Have a nice day.